Dad and I are going to make a medley of roasted vegetables with some cauliflower rosettes. Here's some butternut squash, and here we have some beautiful chickpeas. We're also going to add an onion, some garlic, hot pepper flakes, thyme, a little paprika. Here we have some hot pepper flakes, garlic, and rosemary. We're going to chop the rosemary up nice and fine with the mezzaluna. We'll also add some of this thyme, and all you need to do is just get the little leaves off the stem. And these have already been minced just by nature, so we're going to leave them just the way they are. To this we will crush some garlic. You could actually put it in camicia with the shirt on, with the skin still on and whole, but we decided that we would crush it. And this is a great little garlic crusher here. We're going to add all these ingredients right in here, and to that some hot pepper flakes, salt, a little bit of this paprika, and then we will add olive oil to it, and one more ingredient, and that is a little bit of this balsamic vinegar. We'll stir everything up, and this will be drizzled right over our vegetables. To this pan, we're going to add the florets as well as the butternut squash. Oh, look at these colors already. These chickpeas, some onions, and now we're going to place this incredible sauce right on here with the herbs, and we're going to toss everything up with our hands. We're going to toss all these ingredients up. Let's add another generous drizzle of olive oil over everything. Let me just taste. Saltiness is fine. Our medley of vegetables goes in, and we'll allow the oven to do its magic. When roasting vegetables, it is very important to be careful that the oven is not too hot. So you don't want to have flames billowing across the top of the oven. Another very important tool to use is the infrared thermometer that you can point right on the stone, and it will give you the exact temperature of the oven and the oven floor. Another good way to control temperature is by opening the door partially or closing it if you want to retain more heat. Time is up, and our roasted veggies that have been tossed once or twice are ready to come out. And they are going to be delicious, tossed with some fresh tagliatelle. We have tossed the veggies into these beautiful tagliatelle that we made this morning. And to this now, we're also going to add some fresh rucola. And that not only will add gorgeous color to it, but also an amazing extra flavor. Plate. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this ladle, grab some of the pasta to it. We will add some more veggies and maybe some chickpeas, some of this beautiful butternut squash, and here we have a delicious vegetarian dish that is going to be a delicious lunch. Look at this. Oh, a little piece of butternut squash, and I get to taste it. Very delicious. Buon appetito!